Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to blur car plates in your videos using AVC Labs Video Blur AI. You can also try AVC Labs Video Enhancer AI, which added the video blur feature in the newest version. If you're working with sensitive footage or simply want to protect privacy, AVC Labs makes it super simple to get the job done. AVC Labs Video Blur AI is a powerful software that can automatically detect and blur faces, license plates, and other sensitive details in your videos, all with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open AVC Labs Video Blur AI and import the video. Next, choose the car plate option from the available blur targets. AVC LBS will automatically start scanning the video for license plates. Once the AI has identified the car plates, preview how the blur looks. If you're happy with it, you're ready to move on. If you need to adjust anything, you can tweak the strength of the blur effect. Finally, once everything looks good, click Export to save your video. You can choose your preferred format and resolution to fit your needs. That's how easy it is to blur car plates in your videos using AVC Labs Video Blur AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.